welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. As for me, I am doing wonderful. So guys, on today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious and inviting mouth-watering suya jollof rice. Not just your regular jollof rice, this one is totally different, delicious. Oh my god, you need to know how this jollof rice tastes like. You can tell. Suya jollof rice. So guys, if case you don't know how to make your Nigeria suya and you're not in Nigeria where you can get it easily from your malam at your area, I'm going to be putting the link of my Nigeria suya on the description box so you can make yours and use it to make your delicious suya jollof rice. Without wasting much of your time, we're going to jump in this recipe as I take you through all the ingredients we're going to be using to make our Nigeria jollof rice, which is going to take us nothing less than few minutes to make it in our kitchen. Okay, so guys, let's get started with this recipe. And before we start, if you do love this recipe, at the end of this video, please don't forget to hit that red button that says subscribe. Click on the bell icon that go with it. That's where you will be notified anytime I post new and delicious, exciting videos like this. And also, if you want to see me enjoying this jollof rice, check on my next post. You will see me enjoying this my Nigeria suya jollof rice. Thank you very much guys, till I see you again. So guys, right here I have all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my suya jollof rice. I'm going to be using some long grain basmati rice. I'm going to roughly blend my 2 long sweet chili pepper. I have 3 scotch bonnet pepper. I have 2 black and 1 white onion, 1 green and 1 red bell pepper that I'm going to use to garnish it. I have my thyme powder, curry powder, chicken stock powder, garlic and ginger paste, and I also have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, which I'm using the Gino tomato paste. I have my vegetable oil that I'm going to be using to make my jollof rice, and I have my table salt to taste. So guys, do check out the description box so you can get the full list of all these ingredients I have right here. And also, I'm going to definitely need my suya to make my suya jollof rice. For this suya, I have the link in my description box. Do check it out so you can get the recipe on how to make yours at home. So I will start by adding my vegetable oil into my dried pot. I will preheat the oil to hot, and I will start by adding my sliced onion. So I will allow my onion to cook for about a minute, and I will add in a little salt. I will go ahead and add in my thyme, garlic and ginger paste, and right now I'm going to add in my 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. I will make sure I give it a nice stir and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, of which I will continuously give it a nice stir every time so it doesn't get burnt. So guys, once my tomato paste is well cooked for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my roughly blended long sweet chili pepper, which are the 2 long sweet chili pepper I have. I roughly blended it with my onion. I'll give it a nice stir and I will allow it to cook until it drains off all the excess water in it. So right now it's been cooking for about 10 minutes, and I'm just going to go ahead and add in my curry powder and my chicken stock powder, which is my bouillon powder. I'll give it a nice stir, and at this point you can see my tomato sauce have cooked very well. You can see all the oil have gathered at the top of it. That shows it's been cooking well. And I'm going to add in my already washed basmati rice. So I'm going to make sure I give it a nice stir to combine it with my tomato sauce. And right now I'm going to add more salt for the rice to cook, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my boiling water to help the rice to cook. So for your jollof rice, you don't want to add in excess water to cook it if you want the rice to absorb all those nice and delicious sauce that you just made. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water just to cover up the rice a little bit, not a lot. You can see the amount of water I have in my rice. So I'm going to cover it at this point and allow it to cook on a very low heat. So my rice have been cooking now. You can see the water is no longer at the top. I'm just going to go ahead and add in my sliced red and green bell pepper, and I'm also going to add in the suya at this point because I want the nice taste from the suya to mix with my delicious jollof rice. So you can slice your onion and your green and red bell pepper to your desired size. You can make it long, short, anyhow you like, just play with it. But I bet you this is going to add in more flavor and colors to your food, and you are going to enjoy it. So I'm going to give it a nice stir, and I will cover it up and allow it to cook with the steam coming up. At this point my fire is on the lowest heat, though I'm cooking my rice with my pressure pot, which is like a rice cooker, but I made sure at this point I'm using the steam method to cook my rice, of which if you're using your pot, just make sure you put it on the lowest heat and allow the steam coming out to cook your rice to make it to absorb all those delicious sauce. So as you can see, I just added in some sliced black onion just to give it that nice flavor and aroma. So I'm going to give it a nice stir again, cover it up and allow it to keep on cooking with the steam. Guys, you can see the end result of this delicious suya rice. Please, if you love this recipe, don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you will never miss any of my videos, and do give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.